Since joining the Environmental Studies program, my ideas on how to use my skills to improve the environment have changed more than I ever thought that they could. I've taken all of my required credits in environmental studies, and I honestly feel as if I've learned more in my minor than I have anywhere else in my journey through school. I've learned about myself, I've learned about the natural world around me, and I've learned about the people and infrastructure that I live in and interact with every day. I've developed more as a person, intellectually, spiritually, and environmentally than ever before due to the people I've met, the classes I've taken, and the experiences that environmental studies has brought me.
The importance of individual actions is something I've contemplated a lot throughout this minor. It wasn't until I took environmental sustainability that this idea really got set in stone. Throughout the course, we covered an abundance of possible individual actions one can take and what type of impact you personally have on the environment. Reflecting on my experience here at UWL throughout the Environmental Studies minor program has been a very positive experience. I'll never forget the day I decided to make the switch from minoring in something I had little interest in to something I've always been incredibly passionate about.